Prehab heel drop. Wearing rubber-soled shoes for traction, stand on a step or stairway. Check your feet are parallel and hip width apart. Use your hands to hold onto a railing or other object for support. Slowly edge your feet backwards until your heels are off the stairs and you are hanging onto the stair with the balls of your feet. Make sure your feet remain pointed straight ahead and let the weight of your body drop your heels off the stair. You will feel a great stretch in your calf. The key is to keep your hips over your heels and your head and shoulders over your hips. Hold and relax. Take slow, controlled breaths as you relax into this posture, building up to 3 minutes in total.